Yes, my memory is very sharp. Mom says that I have a photographic memory. After all, I'm a lawyer.
I see. Well, this was new.
Yes, I just noticed it while coming. Anyway, I'll take your leave, okay? And Anushka,
Yes?
you've used a different perfume today.
Siddhant, did you notice the perfume too? How?
Sixth sense?
Hey, Mr. Rao, where are you going in such haste?
Hey, Mr. Karthik, I'm going to bring Mr. Tiwari. Sir asked me to.
Okay, carry on. I'll see you in Dad's cabin.
All right.
Hey, Siddhant, come along. Mr. Tiwari is here.
Who's Tiwari?
He's Mr. Tiwari, our minister. You should be in the loop. Come with me.
Come. Please come, Minister.
Welcome.
Greetings, Mr. Tiwari. We got the honor of welcoming you after a long time.
KK, you turned your chamber into a stage.
We always have to honor our minister. This is a very sensitive matter.
KK, you never miss an opportunity to pull my leg.
Minister, we should never miss an opportunity. Right? Come. Minister, he is the future of the Reddy Corporation. My elder son, Srikanth Reddy. And he is my younger son, Karthik. And he is Siddhant, Prabhakar's son.
I heard about Prabhakar. I felt very bad. He passed away too soon. Anyway, let's come to the main topic. KK, do you know why I have come to meet you? We're going to have the election next year. The preparations have already started. We need funds for it. And considering the circumstances this time, I think we'll need more funds.
How can I do that, Minister? You tend to forget me. As soon as you come to power, you become adamant. You change the taxation policy without even asking KK. Huh?
We have to do this to create an image in public, Reddy. You tell me, what do you want?
KK is not interested in petty things anymore. I have textiles and also steel, pharmaceuticals, even our vehicles go to the military. And we have even entered the airline business now. KK wants something big.
KK, are you negotiating with me? Don't forget that I'm in power and a part of the government.
KK is into business. Negotiation is a part of business. Don't tell KK that what you are doing is politics. It is business for you too. You have to give something in order to get something. That is the principle.
KK, your memory has become very weak. Do not forget all that, which I have done to bring you till here. You had come from Andhra with nothing and I was the one who helped you settle in Delhi. Stay in your limits, KK. How dare you? How dare you slap a minister?
Rao, calm down. Rao has a very bad habit. if someone misbehaves with KK, then Rao teaches him a lesson or two. He doesn't even listen to me. I apologize on his behalf. Sit down. You speak about my status. I have never forgotten my status. KK used to work in a coal mine. But don't you forget your status either. Now go and talk to the high command of your party. I will give any amount as donation. I will not hold back. But this time I want something. Something really worthwhile. Alright? Huh? Rao, show Mr. Tiwari the way out.
I can help myself. Mr. Rao, what have you done? He's a minister.
Karthik, Rao knows what he is doing. Rao can tell what's on my mind.
But you didn't react, Dad. And he could cause losses to our business.
And Dad, in future, Mr. Tiwari might not make deals with Reddy Corporation.
He will. Mr. Tiwari will still do business with us.
On what basis are you saying this, Siddhant?
Business and politics are run by two things: greed and fear. The minister had come here out of greed and he left with fear in his heart. He will never stop working with us.
Siddhant, you'll go places. Rao, call up Sudhanshu, Ashok and Rajiv. Call them for a meeting. We have to discuss some politics.
Okay, sir.
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू